Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to buy the new cryptocurrency that was just released today, Elongate. Elongate is Elon Musk's new cryptocurrency, and I'll show you guys how to actually buy the cryptocurrency and have that installed on your TrustWallet application. TrustWallet is a free application for both iOS and Android, and I will show you guys how to get that in there so that way you can also have Elongate along with the SafeMoon currency. And I also uploaded the video on how to get the SafeMoon currency as well. So let's go ahead and get started. To do so, we will need to deposit Bitcoin into the Kucoin account. I already went ahead and did that. But basically all you do is once you set up your Kucoin account, if you haven't already done so, you would want to click on the top right hand corner. It is, let me go ahead and expand this, assets. So assets is going to let you get that screen that we were just on regarding the main account and trading account. And then you will just want to click on deposit, and then you will get to this page right here, and then you'll select Bitcoin as an option. And then you will want to copy this hashtag function right here. So say if we were on the phone and you already had Bitcoin in here, for instance, all you would do is just click on send and you would paste that hash function, and then you would select the max amount that you have in your account. And yeah, so you'll get that going from there. And Bitcoin usually takes around 30 minutes to about an hour to transfer correctly. So you'll be waiting for that. But other than that, everything else should be quicker than that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to convert your Bitcoin to BNB. Okay, so once you click on the top right hand corner and go back to assets, you will get back to this screen right here where you see your main account and your trading account. This website is pretty slow. I think a lot of people are trying to actually buy into a bunch of cryptocurrencies right now, and the servers are pretty much flooded with requests, so you may have to wait a little longer than usual, but it's still not anything bad. You'll be able to transfer your Bitcoin to BNB anyway. So in order to do so, we'll just click on transfer right here, and you would want to flip this around, and then you would want to select all of your Bitcoin. And then once you select all of your Bitcoin right there, you just click confirm. So this is going to send it to your trading account. So now we want to click on trading account. And then we'll want to type in on the right corner BNB. Sorry about that, BNB. And then we would want to click trade. And then you would want to select BNB to BTC. So we're going to convert our BTC to BNB. And I'll show you guys how to do that in just a moment. So it's going to load up a screen that looks like this. It's taking a while. I'm just going to pause the video until it loads. Oh, never mind. So it's going to look like this. You want to make sure that it says BNB to BTC right there. And at the bottom right hand corner, it's going to ask you to put in your 6-digit PIN. It asks you that when you first create the account, so no worries. You can set that up. Pause the video if you need to. I'm going to put in my passcode and then I'll resume the video. Just one moment. Okay, so once you type in your passcode, it'll look something like this. You will want to make sure that you click on market right there, and then you want to select 100% BTC, and then you'll want to click buy BNB. All right, so we've successfully done so. So let's go back into the regular Kucoin website where we see our main trading account and and then we're going to transfer our trading account BNB so that way it can be withdrawable. So looks like it might have you log in again. So one moment while I put in my credentials. Okay, so it's back to where we need it to be. So let's go back and click on assets so that way we can get that screen where we can transfer our trading account to our main account. All right, so we're already here. So all we do now is click on transfer, and then we will want to select our trading account, and then we'll want to select from our coin from BTC. whenever it decides to load. Okay, so it loaded finally. Then we want to select BNB, and then we would want to transfer the full amount of BNB to our main account. Okay, so it transfers pretty quick. So now what we want to do is we would want to click withdraw. Then we want to select BNB. If BNB is not right there, you would just type it in simply like this, and then it'll pop up right there as you can see. So go ahead and click on that. So this is what you would want to see. So this is just letting you know that hey, we're going to convert your BNB to your whatever wallet you want to send it to, and you will want to send it to your TrustWallet application. So in order to do so, go to your TrustWallet application and just click on receive, or you can click copy, one or the other. I always click receive just to make sure, and then you click copy, and then you would go back to the Kucoin account, and then you would want to paste it. Okay, so it looks like it's not letting me do that on my mobile phone, so I'm using my screen mirroring application right now, but let me go ahead and get that. Hold on. Okay, so what I did as a workaround, if you're using your computer, you should be able to add usable address. Okay, so I guess it's going to want us to do it this way. Why is it doing that? BP. Okay, so I guess my computer was tripping out, but I don't think you guys will have that issue. Maybe the server on this website is having issues with copying and pasting right now because a lot of people are utilizing this website. But I managed to get my BNB address in there, so we're going to send this to the BNB. So your address will look different from mine, so don't, send it to my address unless you want to send me money. That would be perfectly fine. I won't deny that, but I'm going to pause the video right quick, and then I'm going to put in my credentials. It'll send a passcode to your phone, and then it'll ask you for your trading password. So one moment. All right, so I went ahead and put in my information right there. So now what we do is we just wait until the BNB is in progress. So you can click on the little view transaction. It'll take you to their Binance.org website, and then you can see the real-time transactions. So it should already be in the account right now. Let me just open that back up and show you guys. It usually takes under a minute to transfer to your account. So right now we're just waiting on the BNB to be processed. It looks like I just received it. I got a notification on my phone. All right, cool. So it's already in there. So what we're going to want to do is Elon Musk or the Elongate coin actually uses SmartChain for conversion. So we're going to convert our BNB to SmartChain. So in order to do that, all we do is click on BNB. If you're using your phone, it'll look the same way. And then you'll click on the three dot icon, and then you'll want to click on SmartChain. And then try to, send 100%. If it doesn't want you to, or if it doesn't let you for some odd reason, send 75%, and send it as much time as you can, so that way you can get as much Elon Musk coins as you can. So we're gonna keep doing this. Click 75 again, see if it works. If it doesn't, okay. So we're gonna click on 50%. All right, so you see that that works. So like I said, if 100% doesn't work, then click 75, and then 50, then do 50 again, all the way down to 25%. And if 25% doesn't work, then you've already maxed out. So, okay, it looks like I maxed out. So let me go ahead and go back to the application. Um, all right, cool. So this is the easiest part. So now that our smart chain is now on our Trust Wallet application, we want to go to the Elongate website. I'm not sure why, but Elongate is giving you special permissions to have access to buy the token only if you go by their website. So we're going to utilize Pancake Swap for this transaction. You may use Bitmart, but I don't personally use Bitmart, so we're doing Pancake Swap in this video. So it'll click on I understand, click continue, and then we would want to flip this around, and we would want to connect our wallet. TrustWallet was having issues. Let me click on this, see if it works. Okay, so as you can see, it's having issues. So TrustWallet actually has access to WalletConnect as well, and it's going to ask you for your uh, QR code. It's very simple. All you basically do is you click on, go back to your Trust Wallet, and you see it on your screen right here, um, and you click on Wallet Connect. And as you can see, I'm using my phone right now to scan it. And once it scans, you'll get the notification to approve like this. And then now you see that it's letting me access my Trust Wallet. So what we will want to do from here is click on Max, and that's how much we're going to get for, looks like I have $50 worth of Smart Chain BNB. So you would want to make sure that you select your conversion slippage to 12%, just to allow you to get into a trade quicker. It'll make the best trade for you. And then you'd want to click on swap. And then you want to click on confirm swap. And as you can see, it came up on my phone to approve. So I just click approve now. Then click close. And it'll come up on this little recent transactions. So right now it's red. So it could take some time for it to confirm. So I'm gonna just pause the video until it confirms. Okay, so once it confirms like this, you'll see this green link or a blue link if you're on an iOS device, I believe. And then you will want to click on this green link right there, and it's going to take you to your hash functions. And you would want to scroll all the way down to where you see Elongate right here. You're going to want to copy the contract that Elongate uses so that way you can add it to your account. So let me go ahead and find that right quick. Oh, it's right here. So you would want to click on this right here, and then you would want to go back to your Trust Wallet application. So we were already, so let's go ahead and click out of that, click out of this, and then what we need to do now is click on the top right hand corner of this um, application, and then it looks like I just disabled my copy ability, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back again. So you want to scroll all the way down to where it says custom token. I'm not sure why it's okay. Scroll all the way down to a custom token like this, and then click on Ethereum, and you want to select Smart Chain, and then you want to click paste, and then as you can see, Elongate is now on my accessibility. Don't right click and paste because it's not going to work. I'm not sure why. That's just what the application does. And then you will want to click done. So now Elon Musk's coin is now in my account. I now have 53 million coins for 50 bucks. That's not really a bad trade-off at all. This currency is brand new as of today, May 10th. So, get in while it's hot. And if this video helped you out in any kind of way, I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe. And comment below if you have any questions. I'll respond back to you if you're having any difficulties with buying this currency. Um, but yeah, make sure that you go on elongate.cc. You will want to use Pancake swap. Um, if you don't have a Bitcoin converter, you can go to Kucoin.com. I already went ahead and put the link in the description, and then you would want to send your BTC, Bitcoin, and convert it to BNB through this website, like I showed you in this video, and then everything else will follow suit from there. So, um, like I said, if you guys have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I'll do my best to respond to you if you have any questions. And happy trading, everybody. And you have a nice rest of your day. Thank you. Bye bye.